Ever marveled at how video game characters almost seem alive, responding and learning from your moves? Welcome to world of AI in gaming. Just years ago, these characters were simply following a script, predictable, hard-coded like pieces in a game of Pong or Pac-Man. But now they're not merely. They're calculating, strategizing, learning. The evolution from pre-programmed movements to this complex dance of strategy was gradual. It completely leveled the game. The NPCs are no longer just characters, they've become intelligent adversaries. One of the major breakthroughs was Google's DeepMind's AlphaGo, an AI that beat a world champion in the strategy-intensive game of Go back in 2016. This blew open doors, taking AI from research labs to your gaming consoles. So from hard-coded instructions to intelligent NPCs, adaptive gameplay experiences and beyond, AI has taken the gaming world by storm. But hold on, this is just the beginning. The future holds even more thrilling possibilities. Buckle up, stay tuned. Now that we know how AI in gaming began, what does it do in today's games? Well, one of the most significant roles of AI in modern gaming is governing non-player character behavior. This includes aspects such as navigation and interaction with players. For instance, in an open-world game, the AI controls how NPCs move around, react to the environment, and interact with the player. This creates a more immersive and dynamic gaming experience, as the NPCs behave in a way that's consistent with the game world, rather than just being static elements. But that's not all. AI is also used to control game environments and adjust to player skill levels. This means that the game world can change and evolve based on the actions of the player. For example, if a player is doing exceptionally well, the AI might ramp up the difficulty to maintain a challenging experience. Conversely, if a player is struggling, the AI could dial down the challenge, ensuring that the game remains fun and accessible. And here's where it gets really interesting. AI in modern games is often programmed to learn from mistakes. This means that the AI can adapt and evolve over time, presenting new challenges and experiences for the player. For instance, if a player repeatedly uses the same strategy to win, the AI might learn to counter that strategy, forcing the player to come up with new tactics. This ability to learn and adapt makes games more engaging and challenging, providing a sense of progression and achievement for the player. So, from controlling NPCs and game environments to adjusting difficulty levels and learning from player strategies, AI plays a pivotal role in shaping the gaming experience. It's not just about making games more realistic or visually impressive, although that's certainly a part of it. It's also about creating dynamic, evolving experiences that respond to the player's actions and decisions. AI has truly become the backbone of modern gaming, providing a more immersive experience for players. Beyond gameplay, have you considered how AI is changing the stories we experience in games? When we delve into the digital world, we are not only captivated by the graphics or the mechanics, but also by the compelling narratives and realistic characters. This is where AI comes into play, enhancing storytelling in games. Take for instance the game The Last of Us. It's a brilliant example of how AI can create immersive experiences. The game uses AI to govern non-player character behavior, including navigation, interaction with players, and reactions to other NPCs. This elevates the gaming experience, making the characters feel more alive and the world more believable. But it's not just about making characters move and react. AI also plays a crucial role in creating believable opponents. In the past, enemies in games were predictable and operated based on a set of predefined rules. However, with the advent of AI, these non-playable characters have become smarter, adapting to your playstyle, learning from their mistakes, and providing a greater challenge. This gives a sense of unpredictability and tension to the game, enhancing the overall narrative. And that's not all. AI has also introduced a new level of complexity to narratives and character development. Remember when game narratives used to be linear? Well, those days are long gone. Now, AI allows for branching narratives where the story changes based on your decisions. This means that your actions in the game can have real consequences, adding a deeper layer of immersion and emotional engagement. In addition, AI can also aid in character development. It can analyze player behavior and adapt the characters and the story accordingly, creating a unique experience for every player. This way, AI ensures that no two playthroughs are the same, making each gaming experience unique and personal. With AI, the stories we play in games have become more complex and engaging than ever before. Thanks to AI, we're not just playing games anymore, we're living them. We're part of a world that reacts and evolves with us, providing an experience that's as rich and dynamic as life itself. We've seen how far AI has come, but where is it headed in the world of gaming? As we venture into the future, we can expect AI to push the boundaries of what's possible in video games even further. One exciting prospect is the use of procedural content generation. This refers to creating game content automatically and algorithmically, rather than manually. Imagine a game that changes every time you play it, or a world that expands endlessly, filled with unique characters, quests, and environments. That's the potential of procedural content generation. Another advanced application of AI is adaptive gameplay experiences. This means that the game could change and adapt in response to how you play, making each player's experience truly unique. Imagine a game where the enemies learn from your strategies, where the characters remember your actions, or where the story changes based on your decisions. That's the power of adaptive gameplay experiences. AI could also further enhance player experiences and gaming narratives. It could provide more intelligent and believable non-player characters, or NPCs. It could create more dynamic and immersive game worlds. It could even generate narratives and dialogues on the fly, creating a new level of storytelling and immersion. However, with these exciting possibilities come potential challenges and ethical considerations. As AI in games becomes more sophisticated, it raises questions about the nature of player agency and the potential for manipulation. What if a game uses AI to manipulate player behavior, or to push microtransactions? What if an AI character passes the Turing test, blurring the line between fiction and reality? These are complex issues that the industry will need to navigate as AI continues to evolve. The journey of AI in gaming is far from over. As it continues to evolve, who knows what incredible experiences we'll be playing in the future. So, what have we learned about the role of AI in video games? Well, we've seen how artificial intelligence has evolved from its humble beginnings, where it was used for simple tactics, to the present day, where it employs complex strategies and immersive storytelling. It's truly fascinating to see how far we've come. In the early days of gaming, AI was a simple tool used to govern the behavior of non-player characters. But today, it's an integral part of the gaming experience, creating believable opponents and controlling game environments. It's not just about making games more challenging, but also about making them more fun and realistic. We've also explored how AI is used in modern gaming. It's no longer just about creating smart NPCs, but also about procedural content generation and adaptive gameplay experiences. AI can adjust to player skill levels and even learn from mistakes. This level of sophistication is what sets modern gaming apart, and makes it so immersive and engaging. Moreover, AI has had a profound impact on game narratives. By creating intelligent NPCs and controlling game environments, AI has enabled game developers to tell more complex and engaging stories. This has added a whole new layer of depth and realism to video games, making them more than just a form of entertainment. Looking ahead, the potential applications of AI in gaming are limitless. With advancements in technology, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI in our games, making them more immersive and challenging than ever before. In conclusion, AI has revolutionized the gaming industry in ways we could never have imagined. It's not just about making games more fun or challenging, but about creating a truly immersive and engaging experience for players. It's about pushing the boundaries of what is possible and constantly striving for innovation and excellence. From simple beginnings to advanced applications, AI has truly transformed the world of gaming. If you enjoyed this journey through the evolution of AI in video games, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. Until next time, keep gaming and keep exploring.